see how to convert GSTR2A file downloaded as a JSON from GST portal and convert it into the Microsoft Excel format so that you can do its further processing for your need. So we have to remember that we need not go to any external website to convert JSON to Excel format. You can do it within the functions provided by the Microsoft Excel from its data menu. So friends, let's see how we can do. First of all, you have to request GSTR2A JSON file from the GST portal, which is the simple process as you know. So I have downloaded one JSON file from GST portal and I will show you how to convert it into the Excel tabular format so that you can do it further processing. So let's start. First, we will go to the data menu. From here, click on get data from file from JSON. Now, once you click on from JSON command, the Excel will take some time to load the dialog box. So here I have renamed the file to one.json. So I am just importing it into this file. Now Excel will open a Power Query window. So it will take some time. Now the Power Query editor window has been opened by Microsoft Excel. Now you will see that this is the GST number. I have edited the file to as a dummy GST number. This filing period is December 2018 and this file contains only B2B transactions, that is B2B invoices. So just click on this list command. So you will see that we get a list with 3 records. Now this thing is these 3 records contains the information which we have to convert it into the table format. So convert, click on to table. Now you have to create a table from the list of values. So keep it delimiter as none, and how to handle extra column as show as errors, click OK. Now you have to expand this column into the rows so that you get exactly invoice wise details. So click on this expand button and take this use original column as prefix, click on load more. Okay, so why we have click on load more? So that you get all your columns expanded. So this process we have to keep on repeating till all our column gets expanded to the new rows. So now this is invoice column. You have to again click on expand to the new rows. So again load more. Okay, again this is items, expand to new rows. Again click on this, load more. Okay, now I am just shifting my screen to the right. In the item detail, again click on load more. Okay, so it will expand further columns. So in this way we have done expanding column into the multiple rows containing the invoice wise data. So you will see this is sitting is nothing but your GST number, so you can rename it if you want. This is filing status, whether counterparty has filed. So I'm just uh, dragging it to the end. I don't want it in appearing in my front column. This is my sales column. I'm just bringing it closer to the value. Then this is my SGST column. If you want, you can rename the column also by clicking here and selecting the option as rename. So you may rename it if you want. This is the rate column. This is the taxable value column. So arrange it so that you will get the final table in the format which you wanted. So this is taxable value. This is taxable value. Then we have got SGST says. This is CGST column. So I'm just bringing it near to the SGST column. This is invoice date and invoice number. So by selecting control, I am bringing both of them together uh, near to the invoice number column. Okay, so this was the invoice number dated so and so. This is registered entity name C name, but it doesn't get populated in the GSTR2A. So I'm just bringing it to the last. This is a checksum column. I don't want it in my final table, so I am just removing it. So this is reward charge. No. Place of supply is 27, that is Maharashtra. Invoice type is regular. Counter party filing status is yes. Number, rate. Now please remember that uh, this table doesn't contains IGST column. Why? Because this particular GSTR2A downloaded from GST portal doesn't contain interstate invoices. That's why. And about this seating, I have renamed them to the demo GST for the purpose of better understanding. So I'm just done with my table formatting. I'm clicking on close and load. You can also specify where you want to load it. So I'm just telling that in my existing worksheet, say A3. Now Power Query editor window is loading my data. So you can see on right queries and connections window, 9 rows have been loaded. So this was our data which we have converted into Excel format from the basic JSON file. So this is the in tabular format. So you can process it further as you may wish. So thanks again for watching my video. Thank you very much.